Hi everyone, I'm Shelby from the Archer and Olive Ambassador team. Today I'm so excited to share a full plan with me using a themed sticker kit. We're going to be setting up a brand new month together, including a cover page, the monthly spread, and the first week. Let's get started and talk a little bit about the planner I'm using. This is the Majestic Skies B5 dated planner. It's in this gorgeous blue color with gold accents on the front and back. This cover is inspired by dreamy skies and endless possibility, and was designed to help you organize your schedule. A quick little flip through to start, this planner has a yearly overview, a year at a glance spread perfect for tracking, as well as dated monthly and weekly spreads for a full year of planning. Now that we have seen some of the features, let's get into planning the month. I'm grabbing my XL sticker keeper binder. This is so awesome. It is a ringed binder. It has multiple pockets. You can keep things like extra stickers, these planner tabs, and they have 12 clear sleeves that perfectly fit your Archer and Olive sticker sheets. Today I'm going to be using the Antique Floral Everyday Theme Kit. These are really awesome because they contain everything you need to create a cohesive theme in your planner. It comes with a bunch of pages so you can carry your theme throughout the month and even use it for multiple weeks. This kit includes washi tape, deco stickers, functional stickers, icons, these matching collage papers, and they're all with this really cute vintage floral design. First, I'm going to be working on the month at a glance page. So I actually designed this little printout and it just gives you a little overview of your month. And I put things on there like a running to-do list, your monthly goals, some events you want to remember, birthdays, any notes you have for the month, and even a space for the next month. I think this is great to add to your cover page, everything all in one. And I'm going to be going in with my favorite Caliograph markers. These are the best. They have a brush tip on one end and a more fine tip on the other. And I'm just going to add my month up at the top. So I left a little space there so you can add this for any month out of the year. Then I'm just taking a couple of those deco stickers from the sticker kit and just adding some of those florals and the hearts and really tie in the theme. If you want this month at a glance page for your journal, make sure to check out the blog post for a free download that is linked in the description below. Next is the monthly cover page. So I love this little page with the mini calendar and the doodles, and every month in this planner has a bit of a different theme. So this month has the leaves and the florals, which just ties in perfectly with our sticker kit. This is a perfect page to add some color to, and again, I'm taking those Caliograph pens and just having a little fun with the coloring. To add even more deco to the page, I'm going to be taking those really cute collage papers and just having fun with it. I'm taking some decorative scissors, add a little something to the page, and just going to be taping that in, cut off the excess. It's super easy and it looks really, really good. This is really fun just to get creative and find ways to use up the kit. This is a great way to use those collage papers. And then finishing off the cover pages, I'm going to be adding even more stickers, and I think it looks really, really good. Next, we are turning over to the monthly spread. So this is a full 2-page spread, plenty of room for deco, and I'm taking those collage papers again and just adding a little bit to the top, to the corner, and I think it really ties in the theme perfectly. And one feature of the kit that I really love are these date covers. So they're really small, but they're super cute. And I'm just going to be adding those to all of the days to cover it up. And again, it just ties in the theme perfectly. So I'm just going to take those and fill up the page. These kits come with different functional stickers as well. So we have different headers or icons you might want throughout the month. This side section can be used for anything you want to keep track of, big events, maybe a monthly recap, anything you want can be used for that side section. I'm using those stickers again just to tie in on the overall theme. And then I'm going to finish off this page with those washi tapes. So I'm going to be taking those, putting them up in the corner, doing a little layering. I love how this came out and I think it looks really, really good. Finally, we are turning over to the first week of the month. So, like I was saying, this kit comes with so many pages, so you could use this throughout the entire month. Keep the theme going. And I like how it comes with the day of the week covers as well as the date covers. It looks really, really good. And from here, you can really just get creative with your weekly layout. I like to add the washi tape and little to-do checklist every day and some headers here and there and anything you want to track for the week, maybe different events. Add cute little boxes. The kit comes with really cute deco stickers and really just create a full and cohesive weekly schedule that this kit can achieve, and it looks really, really good. And that is it. We have successfully set up a brand new month using the Antique Floral Everyday Theme Kit. These are perfect for adding a really cohesive theme throughout the month, and it looks really, really good all together. I'm obsessed with how every page turned out. I hope this inspired you to try themed planning in your own planner and showed you just how versatile these sticker kits can be. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Archer and Olive channel for more journaling and planner content. And if you want that month at a glance free download, make sure to check out the blog post in the description. And if you're interested in any of the products in this video or want to grab a themed sticker kit for your planner, they're all available on the Archer and Olive website, and you can use my code ShelbyOnPaper10 to save on your order. Thank you so much for watching and happy planning!